here at the start of our show. If you're not reporting it, it's happening on a Saturday at 6 o'clock. We don't know about that. It's not getting reported then.
Okay, Andy, we're here in Mostyn. Obviously, a walk around here with the officers. Some great statistics been heard surrounding ASB reduction. 28% in Mostyn and 6% in North Flint overall. Really good visit.
Yeah, so really great visit here in Mostyn. You know, I did like seeing the police station here as well, and how valuable that is for the police and for the community as well, really. But yeah, really great visit with the police officers going around the estate. And as you said, you know, the reduction in ASB by 28% compared to last year, that's a massive reduction. And it goes to show all the technology that the force is using regarding Power BI, really drilling down to have those hotspots. That's proven to pay its dividends now. And 6% across North Flintshire as well. It's a really great effort by all officers and staff within North Wales Police.